Looks like we're going walking around in the snow.
Yeah, I know. You be free? This is looking amazing.
So, Purple Elephant is having fun around there.
Yes, Dragon Bees, I know.
Well, that's our only thing to say.
Yeah, kinda like it.
Huh? That's our only thing to say. But what's our only thing to know?
I have no idea, Timmy Taya.
Well, you gotta say it.
I'm ready to get on that time setting up this cool Christmas train. But, anyways, time to get on that train, whether I can just get on with that or not. Alright, here we go. Alright. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Well, there's only one more to say. Yep.
Hey guys!
Huh? Who is there?
Yeah, who is there?
Let us see.
It is I, Troll G. Alright, get on the train. We're going on a ride.
Yeah, let's go. Art, sit it.
Okay. All aboard the Christmas train.
All aboard. Let's go. Oh boy, it's a cool Christmas train ride.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I love it. And I love it too.
Amazing. We are having fun during the time with the Christmas train.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Let's go.
So, what's our time of seeing it riding in a Christmas train, Desdemona? Amazing, Leafy. What about you, Pin? Yeah, me too. Well, that's the only thing. Got it, Rachel?
Yes, Simon, I got it. What about you?
That's our only thing to say. Oh, that's our correct answer to say. Right, Purple Elephant?
Yes, we are children. And you, Tanya? Yes. And you, Timmy?
Yeah. Okay, then. So you guys have been prepared to see us riding a Christmas train like that. Wow, you said it very right, Leafy. That's right, Simon. And my appreciation to you, Desdemona. Oh, yes. Amazing. And you, Pin? Oh, of course.
Okay. Please pay attention until we arrive there, just for you to ride on the train for a second.
Yeah, I love it. Meanwhile.
Right, get started, you guys. We're on the train ride.
Yeah, we are. Awesome things. We're having fun. This is like a cool Christmas train ride.
Yeah.
And we could say our time right now.
Oh, that's amazing.
Let's go! Yeah!
Okay, get on the train.
Awesome! Thanks for having us in the Christmas train ride.
No problem. I'll be seeing you later at the time when we get on to the next ride at during 6:15 p.m. So goodbye.
Bye!
Have a nice day, so let's go.
Oh boy! We could have fun during the time of the train! The Christmas train! Yeah, and can we guys go have fun during the time of Christmas? Yeah, let's go!